This section describes the assembly of a strobe photo. As a first step, let's consider strobe setup based on the role of the strobe. In the overall process, the main light is used to shade the subject, and the fill light helps to bring out vivid colors without overpowering the shadows. Add highlights with a top light or accent light to complete the work. Here we will discuss the basics of portrait and portrait lighting. Assemble from the main light. Look closely at the person's face to determine which area of the face to photograph larger. Humans have asymmetrical faces. A closer look will reveal which one is better. Determine the position of the main light. Decide on a strobometer reading of about f5.6 to f8. Somehow, a little, the face in the photo on the right, facing left, looks beautiful. The position of the main light is determined by considering whether to shine light on a large area or a small area of that face. However, since both are unique, there are 4 main ways to take a picture, depending on whether the subject is facing left or right and the position of the light. When setting up the main light, the thing to check is the shadow of the nose. The basic idea is to have the shadow fall at an angle of 45 degrees from the camera and 45 degrees in the direction you are facing. Top light. The purpose of the top light is to highlight the hair and shoulders, never the face. Be careful not to use band-aids or grids to cause gouging or flare in the camera. The light should be strong, maybe f/11 or f/8.5. Front light, fill light. Front light to lighten the shadow of the main light, compensate for the shadow under the chin, and put a catch light in the eyes. Reflective light is also used well to prevent the shadows from becoming too dark while adding catch lights by using a reflector called a kapok. The intensity of the fill light should be set to f2.8 to f4, which is weaker than you might expect. Once the lighting is set, the rest is about posing and facial expressions. Try to create a fun and exciting atmosphere.